Once upon a time, in a galaxy far, far away, there lived a kind and brave princess named Leia. Princess Leia was known for her golden hair, her determination, and her love for helping others. One day, she discovered a young creature stuck in a tree. "Oh, dear! A creature is trapped," she exclaimed. She gently climbed up the tree, her heart filled with concern. With the help of her friendly droid, R2-D2, she managed to free the creature. "Thank you, Princess Leia," the creature chirped, grateful for her help. Princess Leia smiled. "It's what princesses do, help those in need." She waved goodbye to the creature, watching it fly off into the sky. In her castle, she spent the rest of the day teaching R2-D2 new tricks, reminding everyone that even small acts of kindness can make a big difference. That night, as she gazed at the stars, she dreamt of more adventures, knowing that with her courage and kindness, she could conquer anything. And so, the story of Princess Leia continues, a shining example of bravery and compassion for all to admire. Good night.